Are you looking for the best security cameras for home in 2026? In this video, we review the top home security cameras you can buy right now to protect your house, family, and property. Modern security cameras provide HD video, motion detection, night vision, and smartphone alerts, allowing homeowners to monitor their homes from anywhere. Starting at number 1. Blink Outdoor 4. The Blink Outdoor 4 wireless smart security camera 3-camera system is a durable and easy-to-install home security solution designed to keep your property safe both day and night. This system features 1080p HD resolution with infrared night vision, providing clear live video footage around the clock. Each camera offers a 2-year battery life, ensuring long-lasting monitoring without frequent replacements. The system also supports two-way talk, allowing you to communicate with visitors or delivery personnel directly through the camera. With the included sync module core, the cameras connect seamlessly to your home Wi-Fi network, providing reliable and secure video streaming and storage options. Ideal for indoor or outdoor use, this Blink Outdoor 4 system offers convenient, wireless protection for homes, garages, and yards, combining smart technology with peace of mind. Number 2. Vosker V300. The Vosker V300 Ultimate Construction Pack Outdoor Security Camera with external solar panel is a rugged, standalone outdoor security camera system ideal for remote sites where traditional power and Wi-Fi aren't available. It uses 4G LTE cellular connectivity with a pre-activated SIM card to deliver 1080p Full HD video and live streaming, so you can monitor activity in real time from your phone or app without needing to rely on local networks. This all-weather camera includes a high-capacity external solar panel and a removable lithium battery, allowing long-term autonomous operation off-grid, while advanced motion detection and night vision up to about 100 foot help capture events day and night. With features like GPS tracking, AI-enhanced image recognition, motion-activated alerts, and a 2-year limited warranty, the V300 Ultimate is built for dependable outdoor surveillance at construction sites, farms, cabins, and other remote locations. Number 3. Blink Outdoor 4XR. The Blink Outdoor 4XR wireless security camera system is a powerful wireless smart security camera kit that offers expanded property coverage and long-lasting performance. Designed to work with the included Sync Module XR, this system enhances the wireless range of Blink Outdoor 4 cameras, allowing them to communicate up to about 1,000 feet in open-air conditions or around 400 feet in typical use, which is roughly 4 times the range of standard Blink Wi-Fi connectivity. With up to 2 years of battery life on standard AA lithium batteries and 1080p HD resolution with infrared night vision, you get clear live video day and night and reliable monitoring without frequent battery changes. The system supports enhanced motion detection and two-way talk through the Blink app, letting you receive alerts and communicate with visitors, while the 4-camera configuration delivers broad coverage across larger outdoor spaces. Number 4. REOLINK 4K Security Camera System. The REOLINK RLK16800B8 4K Security Camera System is a complete, high-performance surveillance solution ideal for homes, businesses, and large properties. This 16-channel POS system includes 8.8MP, 4K, wired cameras that deliver ultra-clear video with advanced H.265 video compression for efficient storage and bandwidth usage. The system's 16-channel NVR with a 4 TB hard drive provides 24/7 continuous recording, ensuring you capture and store important footage without worrying about running out of space. It also offers intelligent person and vehicle detection, which helps reduce false alerts by distinguishing humans and vehicles from other moving objects. Number 5. Vosker VKX Construction Pack Solar 4G LTE Security Camera. The Vosker VKX Construction Pack Solar 4G LTE Security Camera is a rugged outdoor surveillance solution built for remote sites like construction zones where traditional power and Wi-Fi aren't available. This wireless camera uses 4G LTE cellular connectivity with an included SIM card to send photo and 15-second video clips on demand to your smartphone or app without needing local networks, making it ideal for monitoring tools, equipment, and job site activity from anywhere. It features a built-in frameless solar panel and high-capacity removable battery that can power the camera for months without external power, while 1080p HD resolution with infrared night vision and motion detection up to about 100 feet ensures clear day and night coverage. Designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions with an IP65 weather-resistant build, deterrent light, GPS tracking, and smart alert capabilities, this camera pack delivers reliable, autonomous surveillance for construction sites, storage yards, and other off-grid locations. So that was our list of the best home security cameras in 2026 you can buy right now. If you want to check the latest prices or buy any of these cameras, all the product links are available in the video description below.